How to turn on emotes on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can turn on emotes on Twitch. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Twitch, twitch.com. Then press enter to search it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface of your Twitch website or account, here at the top right you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Some options will pop up. Here you will see emote attribution option. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will reach to this page. Here at the right side you will see a toggle button. Simply just click on this toggle button to enable it. And there you go. You have successfully turned on emotes on Twitch. So in this way you can turn on emote on Twitch. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.